Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, we're mobile. We're headed over to my daughter's work to see what's wrong with her car. Let's get started. So you guys will have to forgive my lack of audio equipment. I don't have anything with me. I was not prepared to make a video today. However, my daughter texted me while I was at work, and she was at work. She said, "Hey Dad, it's supposed to rain today when I get off from work, and my driver's side windshield wiper is not working." So, not sure what's going on there. I'm gonna pull up and find out. If it's not something I can fix while we're there, then I may have to trade vehicles with her until she gets home and see if I can get parts for her and fix it. And of course, it's starting to rain before I even get there. Actually, we're supposed to get some snow tonight. I hope it holds off. And just like that, it's starting to spit snow. On top of all that, it's cold. So let's see here. Let's go in. All right. Turn the key on. Turn the wipers on. And we only have one wiper working. All right, let's go see what we can find. And I think I see the problem already. Nut right there. If I grab the wiper and raise it up, nut's not turning. So let's see if it's loose or if it's stripped out. And as you can see there, that nut is loose. Try to do this one-handed here. Like I said, I do not have my camera equipment with me. So I was not prepared. It's good and tight. All under here, better check the other one. It's tight. All right, let's see what we got now. Turn the key on again. Turn on the wipers, and we have wipers. All right, guys, that was a quick and easy one. Got a little cold, but I think I'll be okay. And Addison will be able to see when she drives home. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button. And hopefully something simple you learned, maybe you can fix a car with one windshield wiper that's not working. If you have any questions or comments, hit those down in the comment box below. And appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.